say some bushes and baby, sister, mommy on him, baby. No, come. Them, uncle. Fufu is the work, name fufu is the notch and amala. Come, child. Yeah, why the mala? Boy. Yeah, intimacy. Timmy sister. Tibifu. No, you. Them. Nay, you should have a good chance him work. Come, why may a fuck kind of band. Fufu now I'll go the dad. Some yea, so my own. Chay, nay, they be more too much no ma, many is beneda. You also, Nana be mumbi. Only so hope. Ebe dan sister Monko. Ndo bayi dete ne dem fufu pinye hwane bedi. Sister Monko. Ne chira mi na ya Monko. Uma amere show. Hwane ndane. Nti same so mo mi ma apu na dwuma ka fufu kaka mama. Baby amu wei wa abla me bala me bedi me bansan ma baka. Christian podla so ti fufu. Nta akawi abaka dress wo de benku. Hey, asama ehunu wa. Imedzibane ya de kwhwe obi ni fie. Na mo fam waye nkono waye nkatenkono waye bibia nan de na maami obaya na odini se besim dwuro. Mo meeti ne butumeti ko. Menko dai. Ko. Da. Funsu ni besi wo, funsu ni sinchana.
Christian, do you want to help me or no?
Na fashion. Ti. Anye ti. Ka. Su. Su. Isa mano hodo. Ne da ezesiro. Monka do.
Mami ya.
Funsu kakra gwechi. Fogwechi.
Mama.
Funsu ni gwechi. Sawunsu kakra. Fogwechi. Nafaka. Ko. Su. Ko. Oye, na mado. No, funsu kakra yo. Anya sho sister ko. Ode amado hado na amado foko. Sama yo.
I wash my hand.
Sister mado shodo be fufure nyim pelibezi. Aho wonsa wa. Okay, Christian still be yenhwe. No fufu na mbezi moyo no waye kokom. Kam chiro. It's a banana milibezi radi. Ode.
May you worry go, Mama, may you worry. Ready. Share. I need to take it. Sorry. Hey.
Hey, I feel like crying. Guys, should I cry?
Ready? 1, 2, go.
So guys, at the end of the day, I have to come back and make my own fufu. I don't know whether I'm doing wrong by, helping these kids, because, Mommy, she's 16. She will nearly turn 17. When I was 16, the kind of things that I used to do, keep quiet. After pouring water on my fufu, what do you want? So, I think I do too much for these kids. It's time for them to start doing it. I have to start feeling lazy because obviously, apart from that, it's not for me alone. It's not only for my own selfish interest, but it's for them when they live on their own. I can't be going to people's house and start making food for them. It's very annoying, honestly, because when you are a mother that you do everything for your kids, some kids turn up, don't learn. I know they try, but they do their best. But honestly, I'm very disappointed. Christian pouring water on my fufu is absolutely not acceptable. Don't use fufu, okay? Why in a pacha? Can you imagine? Buy fufu. So I have to try and make good use out of it because while fufu or daddy why wabada ya be, can you imagine? We back at shaman, so it's full of water. Guys, teach your children, even me that I'm helping my kids to learn how to do things. It's not easy, especially in abroad, because you are always in haste, you want to do things by yourself. Honestly, very disappointed. If I go to work and I want to eat fufu. Are you still here?
Yeah.
Doing what? After pouring water on my fufu, what are you doing in my videos?
Subscribe.
It's not in.
Catch them first to know.
Subscribe to Lolo's Kitchen.
Apologize to my fans after.
So, unfortunately, after attempting to meet the fufu, unfortunately there's been over spillage. As a result, the concentration of the water has increased, but there's nothing that we cannot eat.
Yeah, them. Next time if you chapel, but nowadays I'm going to charge people when we come from church. Anybody who will eat fufu will pay £5. If you are not ready to eat, we always have jollof, wache, rice. Eat it because you know my hand and I'm getting old, so people need to pay before they eat fufu. That's how you do it. Christian, you said when you go to Ghana, where will you go to eat fufu? Choba. So I'm not a choba, so you can go to choba and pay £5 and eat fufu. Bye bye.